Hadiah bikin hikai ke Paiñkhana Skul henen kesengi kan ruteri Kmie Madan ringkat ke lama Jong mendawa weng no principal Jong ketika Skul tak bakadau bagi babun ki jing dekok ki don hak rukom terikam hak ki babun ki benta ki Kmie ki pa Jong ki Khynnah Skul hak step sengi balang joka nyau terik unai lur Kmie Madan lang ban kursan ki jing ki ba jing dawa Jong ki tingin hikai ki katukan yang urut Kmie ki pa ki long bakadau ba ka ba penlong ki bani renti lang hak jing kursan ki jing dawa ki no hikai ka long namar ki lamat ki ju ki jing ki long bagi haban si hadu arjar saus pa tingkah ka kerteng ban bahai ke Skul dan ke development fee hendai kam dan ke jing penbah hak bagi la keno bagi juyo komplain gi khon bagi Paiñkhana ki jabo ki jot balba ko umru kam da don tikna bagi la ongru bagi classroom ki jot ki pay bala da slap ki ju jaw bahalor kini ki jing Kmie ki pa gila persang bani keren bak principal hendai hadu menta kam syam dan ke jing kala bagi la ong bawa la da don kamru kim juyo bani kendo yak principal Jong ni ke Skul bagi la ong bakani kala penlong ru ye babun Kmie ki pa ban weng no lagi khon nak ke Skul kilong ru bah ka kelas ke bakhalwe ba khalar kim dan Satah ke boarding electric bala da lip kalaj bad dum slap ki Khynnah Skul ki haban chong dum ba kilong ru bawat ki classroom ki jabo nomor bom dan nong pen khoj ki khela puli anda lapoi Skul men step ki haban nyat pen khoj ki ban la Jong halor ke jingbam khoj ke Paiñkhana bar ke jingbam biang ko hak ba ki la yalam mi ki nonglum kubor ban peni ke jing jabo Jong ki te ki Paiñkhana
and someone got locked here too and they don't even clean it all the walls.
The walls are dirty, the floor is dirty, the toilet is dirty, even the doors are dirty, and then even the dustbins, and then they never change the trash bags, and then the water is dirty also, and like there are always spider webs, and the locks are either rusted or they just don't work or it's broken, and then the bathroom down there, like below the one next to the home science lab. Also, why is there a bathroom next to the home science lab? That's disgusting. And below that also, there's like a toilet place where somebody got locked. And yeah, that's all.
Have you ever complained these to your teachers?
Yeah.
So till now, nothing has been done yet.
And I can never see like a Kong or like somebody going in and out of the bathroom. Like I can never see them cleaning. Even after school, when I stay back for basketball, I go for basketball, and like I can never see any like Kongs or like any maids or cleaners like who go in and out.
Mi kom bikin la ki lama Jong kalong ki kepala ni la ries ni isu la khamslem de ha kapor ni la kalian ki mi kwat kapor makarang don ka PTA ni lara ikini ha ka jing thob ni la summit di nusa budan buram ni kalian ni mi kwat ko panchai ba ngasai ka jing jobo ki Paiñkhana ba ti ha Khynnah Skul kim to singan chu ba kimi kuno kam bi Paiñkhana nomor ba iyo jing pang di jat mi pa hi ki wan ban sngo hagi ka jing bom don ki jing la khai ha po Skul ta ki ye ko lo ngona tai Khynnah ta ba ka jing long ka campus hi ba ki kamera ba ki Kmie ka jing bom don ka library am trai ba kata ka no pol tu kata ka di ki ka ba ka liang ki mi pa bu Khynnah nge po Skul ni don ka jing phang bagi khon jungi hapan ke jungi ajing kuliah tu begindon ki jing la khai po Skul kindon ki basic amenity.
The major problem we face is the bathroom, right from when she was small up till now. But this year itself, when she is in class 11, the problem which I face is that when there's rain, the water enters the classroom from the RAM itself from 11-12, and they could not take classes when the water enters the classroom. So that's a problem. We already talked with the teachers. He said that we have to talk with the principal about it. But up till now, no initiative is taking place. And plus, my daughter said also that there's no electricity in the classroom of 11-12. Before, the classroom is meant only for 35-40 students, but now around 50 plus are sitting in one classroom. We saw the teachers are protesting yesterday. So today, we as parents also, we have our grievances. We supported them because it's the same issue what the teachers are facing. Even we parents are facing the same problem. When we want to meet the principal also, it's very hard for us to meet her.